So today I documented my journey of becoming an e-commerce master. By e-commerce, I mean right now as in dropshipping. I see dropshipping all the time, YouTube, social media, Reddit, Instagram, and all that, right? I'm always hearing good things and bad things about it. And I'm actually just wondering, is it realistic if I start right now? Is the market already saturated? Is the industry basically dead? And I'm trying to make my bag out of it too. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get that cut because like people say, rappers say, there's enough money out there for everyone. And I'm trying to get my cut too. So this is gonna be my goal, my journey of making to $10,000 a month. Yes, I'm about to reach not even a month range. I'm gonna say a day. Yeah, because like I've been seeing a lot of things. People be scaling it like from $100 to $10,000 within a week. So I want to be there with them as well. You know what I mean? So one thing I've noticed with like drop shipping, you gotta start like a multi-product store. The thing with multi-product stores is you kind of like you gotta create more products. You also got to pick a niche too. One of my niches that I'm going to pick would be household goods. So for the product that I chose, it actually solves a problem. It's unique and it can also be used daily. And it's also cheap. So the main reason how I found this product is, yo, I'm always looking at my nails. My nails are fucking crusty. Like, these shits need to be chopped right away. That's why I kind of chose this product. This product stood out to me because I knew I would buy it. If I seen this type of product in the store, I'd actually buy it. The product that I'm talking about today is no mess, will be nail clippers. Not those like regular nail clippers. I'm talking about ones where basically your nails don't go all over the place. Cause you know, we be cutting our nails in fucking bed and shit. Them shit just be going. You know what I mean? So today, that's what I'm going to be doing. Today, I'm going to be solving that problem for everybody. So this is going to be my store right here. I've chosen this product from AliExpress. As you can see all details with it. I'm gonna put in my store. The reason why I chose a domain because I want to be able to test the product with different things. But later on, if I ever really wanted to, I can always just switch the domain name. You know what I mean? Like the domain name is not a problem. So the store I'm gonna be referencing everything to will be this one. This is gonna be a lot of work because there's gonna be a whole lot of work in progress. This is my first day of dropshipping in general. So what I did, one of the first things I did is I went ahead and bought the Shopify plan, that $1 plan for like a whole month, for 3 months for $1 every single time. So what, $3 for 3 months? I'm gonna see if I can get a sale. My goal, my advertising limit for this whole store is gonna be $50. So hopefully this goes good. As y'all can see, I'm already almost done with everything. Like as I already added reviews, pictures, and almost everything that I needed to do. Kind of color coded the whole website a little bit. I didn't really have that many products to add, but like I think that's okay because I'm just gonna be redirecting them to my product page either way. So yeah, I'm about to just make the finishing touches. The next is all about the ads, the hardest part. You know what I mean? So now I'm basically done building the website. So now we gotta make the ads. For the ads, since I don't have the physical, actual product with me, I have to search the depths of TikTok. But surprisingly, sometimes it could be easy, sometimes it's kind of hard. But let's just see what we can do. So I just went ahead and finished the ad. These are the final results right here. Let me know what you guys think about it. So I'm about to show you guys the results. The results were wow, bro. Beyond my expectation. I actually kind of expected it. Like this was really bad. Like, bro, this shit has me freaked the fuck out. As in, when I was running everything, I actually had to split it in half and kind of basically in the ending, I actually had to come in and kind of like turn off the whole ad and make a re-ad, a whole new campaign. Oh, hell no. The results were so bad. My CPC was through the fucking roof right now, bro. That shit was at $2 per fucking click. And a click is just go to your website. That shit is expensive as fuck. I couldn't do it. I honestly couldn't do it, bro. So I kind of had to come inside and kind of like tweak things a little bit. So I'm about to show you guys what I actually did for my ads because like, yo, I need help. Yo, if you guys know a little bit more, bro, yo, please let me know. So these were my ads right here, bro. I chose 5 different ad sets. I don't know why I put 4. 5. So I chose Walmart, manicure, Amazon, nails, and Bed Bath and Beyond. I thought those were like the closest ones to like people who actually want to like clip their nails, like basically home goods, basically, right? So that's what I believed. But nah, I was wrong. I guess I was wrong. I don't know if it was me or the ad or anything. It's probably like everything. But so alright, so now you guys are wondering what were my mistakes that I learned, bro. The mistakes that I made So in the very first one, I actually had the Advantage campaign budget off. As in, actually in the second one, I decided to actually put it on. Because before, I was actually putting $5 between every single thing. But then I'm like, then later on, I'm like, yo, this does not make sense then. Like, if it's not choosing the best ads to put money in, so like, I'm just spending extra money for no fucking reason if it's like not performing well. That's what I was thinking. So I'm like, let me turn this off. Let me turn it off. This shit is too high. My CPC is way too high. You know, the audience I chose was the basically big three: United States, Canada, and the UK. That's the places I chose. In the first one, I actually did manual placements. My manual placement was basically to the Instagram feed and the Instagram feed, because I thought those two would be the best ones where everything like lands. So I only had 2 different feeds. For the second one, I was like, let me try something different, and I'll basically let Facebook do it. I let Meta do its thing, right? I mean, it did better. It did better than the first one. That's for a fact. But I did the Advantage Plus placements because it was recommended, so I decided to do it and follow along. My third mistake is thumbnails. I fucked up the thumbnails so bad. Like literally the first one, I let the AI do its thing and choose thumbnails based on it. I think that's a bad mistake that you can make, because like you just basically kind of wasting money a little bit if you don't have a big budget. So like I decided, hey, let me choose different thumbnails for every single one of them. So one of the main ones was like the no nest nail clipper. You see, this is the thumbnail right here. And it basically kind of showed the same thing on Instagram as well. But I had like 2 different ones, but they were pretty similar. So that's kind of like what I decided to use it, because I noticed, yo, what is something that'll be intriguing so people actually click it and shit, you know what I mean, bro? So like that's kind of like why I chose that. But for the text, I just said, wait, you mean tell me I can clip my nails without them flying everywhere? Yo, check it here at my store. You know what I mean? And the headline, no nail nail clipper. So I wanted to make it basically easy. So like just easy, catchy, you know what I mean? Everything like looking pretty good. As you can see right over here, everything's looking pretty good for me. But now I'm about to show you guys the worst part, the analytics. Look at my analytics. This shit bad. I spent $24 on this ad placement. My CPCs were high through the roof. Literally, I looked it up. Facebook, the average CPC is usually supposed to be like 30 cents. Why the fuck is my shit all the way $1? I've also learned that if it's above $1, kill it right away. There's no point. That shit's not recovering. You're not making no fucking bread. One of them, it looked like it was doing good. So I decided to make another copy. But when the other one was doing bad, I completely cut it. Then I made another one. That's why you kind of see like manicure copy, because manicure was doing pretty good at first. Then it hit that dollar range. Then that's when I copied it. That shit had $2 fucking, bro. Talk about wasting fucking money. Now you guys probably wonder, what does my first campaign look like? My first campaign, I could spend 12. Not impressive either, even worse. But at least this one, it gave me 1 add to cart. But nah, let me show you guys how many sales I actually got.
Oh my god, bro.
0. Completely 0. I lost fucking bread, bro. I'm tight. Bro, only 76 people came to the fucking website, I guess. Bro, like that's it. Where the rest of them niggas at? Bro, how does this make sense? Yo, I got it to the 15th. How does it make, yo, where's my, no sales whatsoever. So you guys are probably wondering, what did I learn from this? Don't do it. Nah, I'm joking. Yo, I think it's actually kind of worth it, but you gotta know what you gotta do. I gotta learn how to make ads. I gotta learn about the placements, like the best placements to use. Cause obviously I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I also gotta work on the thumbnails. Don't let Facebook do the thumbnails. I gotta do it myself. I can't be lazy. I think my headline was pretty good. I think it was nice, simple, catchy. But other than that, everything was kind of bad. I think maybe it might even be the product, but I think it's mostly because I think it's mostly just me. I think I was the problem. I'm not gonna redo another version of this, 'cause I don't want to spend any more bread. You know, I'm already down like almost $50 from this shit. So like, I just want to work on another one. I'm just gonna come inside, do more research, watch more YouTube on how people actually do it. That way I can get a better understanding. So the next one, hopefully I get a fucking sale. I gotta get that 10K a day type shit. You know what I mean, bro? Now you guys are gonna be following along. You're gonna see every single chick in the book that I use. Hopefully, because I'm not trying to gatekeep. But if I have to gatekeep, bro, yo, you guys didn't hear shit. But that's really it. I just gotta kind of like work on it, but that's mostly it. But yo, if you guys made it this far, man, yo, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you guys watching the realistic fucking results that I'm showing. the amount of bread I just fucking lost. Cause I could just bought something else with that shit. You know what I mean? I could have bought a stock or some shit. You know what I mean? But it's gonna be worth it because I'm gonna make that 10K a day, and y'all gonna be in the back cheering for me. You're gonna be like, yo, and y'all gonna be inspired as well. Y'all gonna be out here looking at my analytics, everything that I said. You're gonna be like, oh yeah, let me implement this. Let me use this product that he used previously. Cause I'm trying to give out gems too, but hey, I'm basically trying to see how realistic this is. And as you can see, when you're a beginner, you're making nothing, bro. But hey, man, appreciate it for watching all the way. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Nah, I mean, all that bullshit.
Sad to say I put my love in this bitch, but she didn't care enough. Sad to say I put my trust in these niggas and they try to cross me up. Fuck all you bitches and fuck all you niggas, I'd rather go at it up.